Just made it to Timo's house and here with the family. Drove 7 hours. Kind of our last stay here, and also it's also Timo's birthday. So happy birthday, Timo! Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Curry, you know the Capone.
Yeah. Oh man. Yeah. And then put that with the noodles?
Yep, with
right
the
here?
noodles.
So these are the thinner noodles because Timo doesn't like thick noodles. So on this side is the thicker noodles.
Okay. Alright.
You might have to dig deep in the pot. There's
Oh.
well egg.
Oh, I'll do it.
And bam.
That's good right there.
I don't do like far drive. And then Adrian.
I'm eating Capone right now. Capone. After 6.5 hours, 7-hour drive back to Anchorage, getting ready to just dig in here. A Lao dish called Capone that Patter's made, Timo's wife. You can take a look at that there. You can see just vermicelli noodle. Okay, added some. I put some mint, some cilantro, some green onions. Yeah, that looks stunning. Absolutely. Okay, got the noodles. Woo! Capone. Try those noodles. Actually, let me try that broth first. Slurp. Oh yeah, yeah. This coconutty, spicy, that curry.
Yep.
That is almost like a salagri. There's a Cambodian dish called salagri. Thai red curry paste, I believe. But you taste that coconut. That's good. Okay, time for the noodles. Okay, bite. Oh yeah. There's some spice to that.
Yeah.
I love that vermicelli noodle, man. I love that coconutty, creamy red curry sauce. Man, those noodles are just fantastic. It pairs well with this soup. That is so flavorful. My lips are like zinging right now. Okay. Some chicken on there. Okay, bite. Taste it with the quail egg.
Ooh, that's right.
Yep, the quail is bomb. Bite. Oh, dude, so good, man. Baby corn and the noodles. Bite. I'm gonna finish this bowl of Capone and then we'll introduce you to some more food later on. Timo's cooking, doing some grilling today.
Alright. Well, usually it doesn't start melting until like May. There you go.
So bratwurst links from Santa's Smokehouse hooked it up. Shout out to Santa's Smokehouse. I forgot your name, man, but shout out to you for hooking it up with some bratwurst and some Alaskan eats, man. Yep. Yeah. Drop those bratwurst in there too, huh?
Yeah, I have
caribou. Alright, so Timo is preparing food on the grill, man. He's doing it up. We're gonna have a good time eating and celebrating our last day here and his birthday too, actually. Okay. Got caribou sausages. Bratwurst. Caribou bratwursts.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Caribou bratwursts.
Straight from the animal.
We saw igloo.
Did you?
Yeah. I got a video.
Oh, hell no.
Mine too.
All right. Caribou.
Oh, yeah, it's done.
It's done? Oh, yeah. That's it. All right, caribou bratwurst off of the grill. First time trying it. Only in Alaska. And bite.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's hot. It's a hug. I got
Woo! It's gamey. There's gaminess to it.
it?
There's gaminess. Try it. Yeah. A slight bit of gaminess, but you have that bratwurst style of sausage texture. Kind of pops in your mouth too. But that's hot, peppered hot. The gaminess, that is caribou. Or moose.
No, one of them.
Yeah.
It
Think about
smells gamey.
Yeah, there's some gaminess, huh?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Got a nice salty.
Yeah. crab.
She gets like this. This is how my
Shrimp. This is a true Alaskan barbecue. Trying to rock in the baby, Timo baby, Patter's baby. Hi! Put that gel on it, the gel.
It's like gel?
Gel. So, alright. Take a bite of that. Bite. Oh wow. Mmm. That's good. Yeah. Adding that Capone sauce just elevates it to another level. Yeah, I love the spiciness to it. Absolutely. Yum. Okay, another bite. Here we go. Mmm. Add the gel on the caribou bratwurst. Just like that. Mmm. Alright. Bite. Mmm. That gel just adds another dimension for sure. So the next thing Tim was gonna make is something called crab curry, right? Is there a formal name to it? Like
no, just crab curry.
Just crab curry.
Crab curry.
Crab curry. I'm super excited for crab curry because I love curry and I love crab.
It gets a little messy though when after that. So
heard that.
Sure. Go ahead.
What did you say?
I was like, give me a piece of crab for my daughter.
Yeah, I did.
She won't eat spicy.
She won't eat it. Yeah.
Kids these days don't want McDonald's.
So you already know.
Yep.
I'm about to throw in the.
Yeah. Is that the tomato paste?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Hey, man. Wow. Gonna break into that, get started with that crab. I'm gonna use some of that gel with the crab curry as well. It's hot. Ooh, it's hot. It's on that tip. Okay, bite. Mmm. I love that gel. Mmm. Just like that. Pop that open. Dungeness crab. I love Dungeness crab. Dip it in that gel. Yeah. This is perfect right here. Mmm. Bite.
Oh yeah, that gel is spicy.
Oh man. Mmm. That Dungeness crab coupled with that gel. But then you have that flavor from the red curry. The curry, the spice. You taste the onions and the ginger and the garlic. Yeah, that combination really works. Ooh. That spice is creeping up right now. Oh, that's good. Yeah, wow. Try some of that shrimp.
Crab is good.
It is, right? Bite. This right here is on point. That's for sure. This gel is on point. Yeah? Starting to creep right now. Something's creeping right now. Ooh. Little crab nugget here. Bite that. Yeah, this is fire. I mean, yeah, I gotta jar this up one day. All right, bite fish sauce, the cilantro, the chilies, the garlic. Yeah, that's sweet, that's spicy, and delicious. You got a pork spare rib that put some gel on that pork spare rib. There it is. All right, bite. With Tony and
Do it again.
See ya.
See ya in the house.
See you later.
Obviously, birthday boy.
When I drink,
Patters,
you guys call me
Shauna.
Peter.
Here in Alaska. If you come to Alaska, go to Timo. Go to Timo and Patter's house.
Yes, sir.
Go to Timo's
Bye.
house in Alaska.
Good food,
Tell my
good drinks.
Tell my sent you. Just knock the door.
Good food and some drinks. Don't forget.
Happy
Where's she
birthday.
at?
You finally 21.
Yes, sir. Cheers, y'all.
Happy
birthday.
Thanks, guys.
All right, cheers,
Thanks.
cheers.
Give me,
32.
Cheers to the big 30.
For real, right?
Tony thought that your neck gonna start hurting
Man.
too. Don't pass next.
Stop playing me now, B.
Woo!
Come on, lads.
Hey,
Hey. So I ain't gonna say hi.
YouTube, hell yeah.
Christian?
Yeah, it's
I love you.
good. Hey,
Hey, Christian, I love you.
love you, love you, love you, love you.
You're a big brother.
There you go, there it is.
You wanna stand in front of here, in front of the back of dance? No, I'm good. I'm your back of dance. We're gonna go slow. Don't do that. Whoa!
Got you.
YouTube vlogger.
No.
Wow! Go shot now!
Yeah.
Woo! No,